Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be part one of my Christmas stash. So I'm going to show you guys this bin, which carries a lot of my stickers. I probably have some more, but I will just show that in another video. There's probably going to be like 3 parts to this because I have a ton of Christmas. So let me show you what's inside this iris bin. You guys already know this is from Michaels. I get them when they're on sale, and I actually think they're currently on sale for like $3.99. So if you're interested in getting one, definitely go pick it up. So I'm going to show you in this video some stickers and 2 iris bins. I'm going to show you stickers and I'm going to show you 6x6 paper pads. So in here I have some Fa La La leftover stickers from last year. I do have a brand new pack because I have like my doubles, so I definitely have that. Oh, I made these cute little barnyard doors last year. These were fun. And we have some stickers, some numbers, which are good for like, there's almost nothing left here, but I use these for like advent calendars, or just if I want to use like 25 on regular tags, you can do that as well. We have some cute little jewels and glitter stickers. Look at these wreaths, you guys. These are super cute. We have some more alphas. Some paper house Christmas stickers. Little stickabilities. We have this little wish and this snowman. We have these little Christmas stickers. Look how cute, the little llama with the gifts on the back. And we have some of these flat stickers. This little sticker book. Oh, look how cute the little gingerbread men are. I love cutesy Halloween, you guys. So we have some more little numbers. Perfect for advent calendars. Snowmen, I think Target last year. I found these super cute little bee gingerbread boys and girls. We have some snowflakes from Target, I think last year or the year before. We have some of these. Oh, this came out the package. Let's fix that. I think this is from, I don't know where this is from. It says holiday time. Maybe Walmart, you guys. They're just flat stickers. These are from Target. Cloud9. Some stockings. Oh, these are cute. These are Recollection. Not sure from what year. We have some Christmas tree die cuts. Some word phrases. I know this is Simple Stories. Some more of these little stickabilities. Cutesy Halloween. Cutesy Christmas. I was going to say Halloween. We got some shaker stockings. Some more numbers from, I think, Target Dollar Spot. These are also Target Dollar Spot. These are the Merry Days. No, Fa La La, actually. I also have some more of these. I have tons of doubles of those. Then we have those cute little wreaths. These are adorable, you guys. And we have some ornaments. Some stars from Target. Candy cane alphas. Some shaker globes. We got some stars. Some little gifts left over here. I've been using those on memory dex cards. This cute little welcome sign from Michaels. And we have these. These are little felties. These are cute. We have some Christmas trees and Santa hats. These are all from Target Dollar Spot. Some more numbers. I like these because they look like tree trunks. This is from Michaels. We have some more little like Christmas phrases. These cute little bows for Christmas by Chanel. These are cute little Christmas cards from Michael's last year, I think. And we have these little clips. Ugly sweaters, you guys, from Paper House. This was brand new. Wifey just took this one for her sticker stash. We got some Christmas bows, some cute little gumdrops and little peppermints, photo corners. We have a little baggie here filled with a bunch of different stickers. We have some more fa la la. Oh, this is cute. What's this? Bella Boulevard. Santa stops here. That's cute. Definitely have to use that. We have this one. We have some reindeers. We have a cute little Christmas crafts sticker book. Some rub-ons. I'm not really a rub-on kind of girl. We have some poinsettias. These cute little owls. Oh, this is cute. I think Ada was making some stuff with this. This is the Perfect Christmas by Echo Park. Love this truck. Some more of that Target dollar spot. Oh, these are cute. Pocket envelopes. Let's see what these look like. Oh, you guys, look how cute these are. And it even has like the little adhesive. It's so funny, you guys. I posted up on like my room on Instagram. And I was talking to Lou. Her name is Lou David here on Instagram, on YouTube and Instagram. And she was telling me you should shop your own stuff. And she's totally right. But we're so bad with that. Look at these. They're like little... Oh my gosh. And Elf. Oh, this is too cute. I need to use these this year. We got to make something in the series, you guys. We got some snowflakes. Oh my gosh. Look at these cute little stickers. Who are these by? Oh, these were gifted to me. These are by Christmas Crafts. How cute are these? I forget what I have, you guys. Look at the little mittens. The little elf feet. We have some penguins. These are cute little sticker sheets with little snowmen on it. Mistletoe Kisses by Simple Stories. We have from Me and My Big Ideas. I love the black and white and red. Look at these little stockings. Oh, there's a bunch of stickers in here, you guys. There's only 2 left in this one, but I think I have another one. A brand new pack. I should put this on the side to put inside that little random bag. We have some Christmas trees, and there's some other stickers in the back. We have some Christmas doilies, some snowmen. Oh, look at Santa. It's a big sticker. Special delivery little circles for like Christmas cards. You guys see that? That's from Target dollar spot. Classic Christmas. Oh, we got a bunch of these little like chalk. Like you can make little signs. We have some Christmas tree clips. These from Target dollar spot. These are also from Target dollar spot. Little ornaments. These are ugly sweater stickers. These are cute. Some more from Target dollar spot. We got these big candy canes. These I think are a bunch of tags from last year Dollar Tree. Little coffee cup. Which one is this? Oh, this is Doodlebug. Look how cute. I used some last year. But I have a good amount left. I have another one of these. These are from, I think, Erin Condren. The planners. We got some little elf stickers here. We have some more mittens. Some more tree clips. Some more candy cane alphas. And yeah, you guys, that is this bin filled with stickers. I think there's going to be another part where I'll show you guys my 6x6 paper pads. So for now, I'm going to leave this video as my Christmas sticker stash part 1. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.